If 15 men can do a piece of work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day, how many men are needed for work 4.5 times the previous one for 30 days, working 6 hours a day? Such questions can be easily done by the formula W1 upon W2 is equal to P1 D1 H1 upon P2 D2 H2. Now let's substitute the values. So we have W1. The number of people working are 15 men. So 15. They're working for 12 days. So D1 is 12. And they're working for 8 hours a day. So H1 will be 8. Now the work 2, that is W2, is 4.5 times the previous one. So W2 we can say is equal to 4.5 times W1. So let's substitute that value here. So it becomes 4.5 W1. Now we don't know how many people are working. Let's assume it as X. The work is done in 30 days, working for 6 hours a day. Okay. So let's solve this. So we have here 6 2s are 12, 15 2s are 30. W1 gets cancelled out. So therefore, we have X is equal to 8 into 4.5. That is 36. So that will be our answer. 36 men are needed for the work, which is 4.5 times the previous one, for 30 days working 6 hours a day.